Hold on, Canada, because winter is not done yet. From the Pacific coast all the way to the Atlantic shoreline, we are tracking another round of snow, rain, and bitter cold that will affect travel and daily life in many provinces. If you live anywhere from Vancouver to Toronto to St. John's, this update is important for you, so stay with me as we go region by region and break down what to expect over the next few days. Let us begin on the west coast, where the pattern remains very active. Coastal British Columbia is dealing with a series of Pacific systems pushing moisture inland. Temperatures around 6 degrees in Vancouver mean rain for the coast, but heavy rain for parts of Vancouver Island. Western areas of the island could see between 50 and 75 millimeters of rain through Sunday. That amount of rainfall can cause ponding on roads and localized flooding in low-lying areas, especially where snow is melting at the same time. As we move from Saturday into Sunday, more widespread rain spreads across the lower mainland and coastal communities. Behind that rain, several troughs will keep the atmosphere unsettled. While coastal areas stay wet, freezing levels remain low enough in the mountains for significant snowfall. Higher elevations across the coast mountains and into the Rockies will continue to pick up fresh snow through Monday. Ski resorts and mountain highways could see difficult travel conditions, especially during heavier bursts of snow. Now shifting east into the prairies, the story changes from rain to cold. Temperatures drop sharply as Arctic air settles in. Afternoon readings around -1 in Calgary, -7 in Prince Albert, and -13 in Winnipeg show just how chilly it is becoming. Winds will make it feel even colder, especially across open areas of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. A weak system moving across central Canada will bring light snow to parts of Manitoba and Saskatchewan late Saturday into Sunday. Most places will only see a light dusting, but visibility can still drop during heavier bursts. The heaviest snow from this system will be farther north and along the storm track into lake regions. Drivers should watch for icy roads, especially overnight as temperatures fall. Across northern Canada, extreme cold continues. Wind chills near -30 or colder are possible in communities such as Inuvik. Even with sunshine, it remains dangerously cold, and outdoor exposure should be limited. Moving south into Ontario, we track a trough bringing nuisance snow Saturday into Sunday. Light snow spreads through parts of the province, including areas near Ottawa and Montreal late Saturday before clearing overnight. This is not expected to be a major storm, but roads could still become slick during the morning hours. For southern Ontario, the heaviest snow will likely be north of the Greater Toronto area, where 5 to 10 centimeters are possible. South of there, including Toronto, totals around 2 to 8 centimeters look more likely. Temperatures near freezing in Windsor and Toronto mean snow could be wet and slushy, which makes driving tricky. Eastern Canada also sees active weather. Light snow spreads across Nova Scotia and New Brunswick before clearing. Another trough brings snow to Cape Breton and parts of Newfoundland late Saturday into Sunday. Gusty winds up to 80 kilometers per hour are possible across the Avalon Peninsula near St. John's, leading to blowing snow and reduced visibility. Looking ahead to Monday, another system may approach Atlantic Canada, bringing more snow and wind. It is too early for exact totals, but some areas could see another 10 to 20 centimeters if the storm strengthens. So what does this mean overall? Canada is seeing below seasonal temperatures across most regions. The west stays wet along the coast with heavy mountain snow. The prairies stay cold with light snow and blowing winds. Ontario deals with nuisance snow and slippery travel. Atlantic Canada sees light snow and gusty winds with another storm possible early next week. Travel will likely be impacted in several regions. Mountain passes in British Columbia may be difficult due to heavy snow. Prairie highways could be icy from blowing snow. Urban roads in southern Ontario may become slushy and slippery during snowfall. And Atlantic coastal communities could see reduced visibility in gusty snow showers. If you are planning travel, check the latest forecasts and road conditions. Keep emergency supplies in your vehicle, including blankets, water, and a flashlight. Dress warmly in layers if heading outdoors, and watch for sudden changes in weather conditions. We will continue tracking this coast-to-coast winter pattern as new updates come in. Stay tuned to the channel for the latest forecasts, snowfall totals, and storm track changes, so you can stay safe and prepared during this busy winter stretch.